So in April 2017, they had a big thaw, created a big flood that washed down through the Sanpoil River, washed out the abutment of the bridge, and so we had to shut the bridge down because of that big washout.
It was frightening because you could tell the bridge was getting undercut, the water coming through, and we were afraid we were going to lose our home.
I could not believe how far the embankment was pushed clear on up from where the river was. And it was kind of eerie, it really was. I was really surprised to see all the damage that this flood had done.
The first thing that we as an agency have to do is find funding partners. You know, and obviously with an emergency like this, we were pursuing federal relief. And so it took us a while to get through that process and get funding. While that was going on, we had to open the roadway, and the collaboration and cooperation there was permitting with the tribe, permitting with local jurisdictions, especially in an emergency situation. There was also the delivery and construction of the Bailey Bridge, which was a feat that took parts of the entire DOT across the state to deliver. And then of course you have the cooperation of actually constructing it, working with the neighbors, making sure that people can get through this. We're not impacting the local economy in a negative way. So there was a lot to this little project, really.
The Bailey Bridge was a challenge from the beginning as far as designing the engineered pick plan to get the bridge up and to move the bridge from its current location where it was once here to the detour route. It had some complications as far as design, limited amount of area to work, with traffic and everything doing that. It was unique.
I have to say it was the best entertainment in the last 2 years that I've had in a long, long time. The crew, the staff, everybody has just been wonderful.
We're so grateful that everyone went into action and got this bridge built, and it's exciting to be here today when we're finally going to be able to drive across it.
Here we go. Ready? Go.
Hey.